Hello everyone, today in my session I'm going to introduce you to the new product launched by Microsoft, that's Microsoft 365. So first of all, let us go through an introductory video.
With Microsoft 365 Business, I'm really excited to be able to manage my mobile devices and users without having to buy a server.
The security that small business get is the same as the security for a major enterprise level corporation.
Security in the past has been one of those things that is very expensive to do correctly, and this product has taken a lot of that guesswork out.
Anytime that we can introduce something to a client that's going to save them time and help them be more productive, it's an awesome feeling. They can concentrate on running their business while we take care of their technology needs.
And so to be able to deploy Windows on a new device in a relatively short period of time, by comparison, is something that customers are really excited about.
For Garner Foods, these allowed them to cut their implementation time for a PC in half.
Working with a partner like Solus has been great. They've taken good care of us to make sure that we're getting the right products that we need.
From a sales perspective, being able to bring all of those great solutions in under a single SKU that's really easy for us to transact, it's really easy for the customer to understand, is really phenomenal.
Us implementing this product gives the customers a peace of mind that they have a full solution.
For years now, we've been bundling pieces together to make a solution for our clients, and Microsoft now has a great packaged product that has all the features that small and medium businesses want in one package and one management portal.
So the Microsoft 365 is a new product launched by Microsoft that provides you both the Windows and the Office 365 in a single subscription. So now there is no need to purchase a separate license or subscription for a particular Windows or Office 365. Microsoft 365 provides you with two types of plans. One is for business and another one is for enterprise. If we talk about Microsoft 365 Business, then Microsoft 365 Business provides you all the functionality and services of Office 365 along with the Windows Pro. Also, it provides you a feature that you can update your systems or your operating systems from 7 or 8.1 Pro to Windows 10. Let's talk about some of the additional features that comes with Microsoft 365. The first one, as we discussed, is Windows 7 and 8.1 Pro upgradation to Windows 10. Then for the device management, we have a single console to manage users and devices both at a particular place, like you get an admin panel of Office 365. Also, you can automatically deploy the Office apps into Windows 10 PCs. And then comes the security. You get various security services like EMS and many others. Next we come to Microsoft 365 Enterprise. Microsoft 365 Enterprise is specially to overcome the user cap limit that's set to 300 users in Microsoft 365 Business. So if in case you have more than 300 users in your organization, you can go for Microsoft 365 Enterprise. Microsoft 365 Enterprise is further divided into two plans. The one is Microsoft 365 Enterprise E3 and another one is E5. The difference between both the plans, that's E3 and E5, are based upon certain security features and audio conferencing features. Now let's talk about the features and services that you get in Enterprise E3 plan of Microsoft 365. These are the plans which are present in both E3 and E5, like they are common between both E3 and E5 subscriptions. So the features which are common in both the plans are Office applications, email and calendar, chat-based workspace, voice, video and meetings, social and internet, threat protections, identity and access management, device and app management, analytics and information protection. If we talk about the special features or the enhanced and advanced features that are present in E5 but they are somewhere missing in E3, then we have some more features under the same services like audio conferencing and phone system. Phone system is not yet present in India. Next, if we talk about the threat protection, then in Microsoft 365 E5, we get Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection, Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection, and Office 365 Threat Intelligence. Next, in Identity and Access Management, in E5, we get Azure Active Directory P2, whereas the Plan 1 of Active Directory is present in E3. We'll be talking about the difference between P1 and P2 plans in our next slide. As we discussed about Azure Information Protection Plan 1 and Plan 2, like Plan 1 is present in E3 but the Plan 2 you get in E5. So let's talk about the difference, like what is the difference between Plan 1 and Plan 2 of Azure Information Protection. The Azure Information Protection Plan 1 and Plan 2 differ on the basis of two features. The first one is automatic data classification and the another one is HYOK feature. Next, if we talk about the Plan 1 and Plan 2 of Azure Active Directory, then also there is a difference between Plan 1 and Plan 2. There are two features, those are identity protection and conditional access based on sign-in and user risk, and another one is privileged identity management. Now, as we have already discussed about Microsoft 365 Business and Microsoft 365 Enterprise, which are the two different plans provided to you by Microsoft. If we talk about the Office features which are different between Microsoft 365 Business and Microsoft 365 Enterprise, then we have these two plans differ to each other on the basis of video conferencing, threat protection, information protection and advanced compliance management. Now, if we move on to the difference between Microsoft 365 Business and Enterprise on the basis of Windows, like what features you get in Windows and what is the difference between Windows features among both the plans. In Enterprise plan, we get Microsoft Intune and Windows Information Protection, which are actually missing in Business plan. Now let's move on to the next question, the biggest question, that's why Microsoft 365. So if we talk about Microsoft 365, these are the reasons we should use Microsoft 365 on priority. So we have enhanced security features for Office and enhanced security features for Microsoft Windows as well. In security features for Office, we get single console to manage users and device settings. For both Office and Windows, we get a single console to manage both the users and the device settings. It means that you do not need AD anymore. We have customized settings for user mobile devices, manage how users access Office applications on their devices, block users from copying content from Office applications to non-Office applications. Then we move on to the security features of Windows. The admin can enforce Windows Defender to always be on, prevent user from downloading applications from Windows Store, install Office applications automatically with Windows, upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7 and 8.1 Pro, and then an admin can manage users with group policies. This is it for now. Thank you for your time. I'm Nikhil Sharma, working as a cloud support engineer in Foetron. For more of such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.